Welcome to Module 10, Personality. This module is about 5 to 7% of the material that's on the AP Psychology exam. So not as much as some of the other major modules, but still a decent amount. In this module, we're going to be talking about basically 4 different personality theories. We're getting into Sigmund Freud, some of his philosophies for how personality works. We'll also be going through the humanistic theory, the trait theory, and then also the social cognitive theory. Make sure you can associate the psychologist with each theory and some of the major points that they held to. Most of Freud's theories were backed by science, however, there were a lot that weren't. So keep in mind as we go through that, some of the courses or some of the positions he held to, he really couldn't back up. The humanistic theory definitely emphasizes the person as far as maybe their value. We'll get into talking about self-esteem versus self-efficacy. Make sure you know that difference. It is a subtle nuance there. Self-esteem is your own value of yourself, seeing yourself as a valuable individual, whereas self-efficacy is kind of a sense that you can control your outcome, or you can control how you respond to a certain outcome. We'll be talking about Robert Maslow, his hierarchy of needs. That's something we touched on briefly in Motivation and Emotion. What are the things that motivate us to do what we do? What are the things that determine our character? That will kind of be a part of the humanistic theory as well. When we get into trait theory, that's when we get into a lot of the inventories. Trait theory basically is there's the objective personal inventory test where you answer a series of questions, it corresponds to a personality, and then conclusions are drawn from there. The Big Five personality test is also another major theme there. You can remember that by the acronym CANOE or OCEAN, the different personality categories there. Make sure you know those and are able to apply those. Then the social cognitive theory, we'll be talking about just the context of society and how does the personality fit within that. Is it defined by society, or does personality kind of evolve to fit society? How exactly do those issues work? Again, make sure you know people associated with theory, several different key terms there, know your vocabulary. There will be one major project in this module. Keep an eye on the due date for that. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun!